Alright, this is a quick video over combining like terms and distributive property. Now these are two operations that you will use throughout Algebra 1 to simplify expressions or to solve equations. Now very simple. Distributive property is just basic multiplication. Combining like terms is addition and subtraction. So when talking about order operations, do distributive property first, then combine your like terms. So let's take, and I'm gonna go ahead and circle all my factors outside my parentheses. All right, bam. Okay, -3, and that's where it ends. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this 4 and multiply it with everything inside the parentheses. Take this negative, and if there's nothing there, there's always a 1 there. So this is -1 times x times 2, -3 times -x, -3 times -4, and again, that's just a term right there. Now, let's do it. 4 times x is 4x minus 28. -1 times x gives us a -x. -1 times +2 is -2. -3 times -x is a +3x. -3 times -4 is a +12. And then we just add this last term. Now let's list all our terms in descending order. So the ones with the highest degree first, 4x, then I see a -x, then I see a +3x, then I see another 3x. Then all my constants right behind, -28, -2, +12. From there, combine your like terms. So here, this gives us 3x, 4x minus x gives us 3x plus another 3x plus another 3x. We have 9x. Here we have -28 minus 2, which is -30, plus 12 is going to be a -18. And we're done with that. But one thing you should notice is take into account how many different terms we have. So after we use our distributive property, let's take a look. We have either x's, which is a linear term, or numbers, which are our constants. So we only have two terms. It should only simplify down to two terms. Now I have another example where this not might be the case. So now let's do the same thing. Let's circle everything. Let's circle all our factors. 2y, -3, +2, and then that's it. So 2y times x, and the arrows just show the direction of where I'm multiplying. You don't have to draw them. So let's go through 2y times x. Since we don't know what y is and we don't know what x is, we're just going to treat them as if they're just variables still, and we'll have them showing that they're multiplying. 2 times x y plus 4y minus 3x minus 9 plus 2x plus 2y minus 4xy plus 3x. And all we did was multiply this times this, this times this, this times this. And since we don't know what x or y is, we have to still show that they're multiplying. This is 2 times x times y. Now let's go ahead and list our variables in descending order. I'm going to start off by saying 2xy minus 4xy, and then from there let's just list our variables in alphabetical order. Minus 3x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4y plus 2y, and I think just minus 9, and that is our complete expression. Now from there, 2 times x times y minus 4xy. It's going to give us a negative xy. This gives us a, when we combine these like terms, negative 3x plus 2x plus 3x gives us plus 2x. That gives us 6y. And then since there's no other like terms with our constants, we just drop it down. And we're done. And again, here we had xy is its own term, y is a term, x is a term, 9 is a term. So we ended up with 4 different terms. And our final expression should have 4 terms. And all we did was use the distributive property and then combine like terms in descending order. Thank you for watching.